Okay guys, this is a quick lesson. This is all about drone strings and using a drone string. Now, ideally what you want to do is you want to use a thicker string as your drone and then use the strings underneath to create your ideas. Now, the simplest way to use a drone is to play the drone, open string, and then what you do is you can put, say, a power chord. Just bouncing on these drones is amazing. If you put the palm mute on using this part of your hand, the karate chop part of your hand here, just rest that just as your strings emerge from the saddles, then what you'll find is you'll get an even chunkier sound. So if this is the string open, with the palm mute on, I get, and that's that really aggressive chuggy sound. Then what I can do is I can play a scale from the string that is underneath. So this is the E string I'm using for my drone. So if I use the A string and then I find the notes going up. So let's say I will play A, B, C, D, E, F. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn those into power chords. Hit subscribe for more guitar tips.